In this video, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step guide on how to save and invest your money on the Piggyvest app. I'm also going to be taking you through a review of this app, and I'll be telling you everything you need to know before you put in any amount of money on this app. So if you're interested in saving and investing your money on the Piggyvest app, or maybe you've been hearing about the app and you want to know more about it, then this video is for you. Please make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. And please, if it is your first time on Personal Finance Circle channel, please like this video and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're trying to hit 10,000 subscribers very soon. Thank you. Now let's go straight to how you can save and invest your money on the Piggyvest app. Now, as you can see right here, this is your home page on the Piggyvest app. The first thing you'll be seeing right here is your total savings. So you can see where it says my savings. So I'm blowing it out right there so that you don't see the amount of money I have right there. So, but you'll be able to see my savings or my total savings on the app. So once you open the app, that's the first thing you'll be seeing, your total amount of money. And then if you scroll to the side right here, you'll be able to see your investment. So if you have investment on the app too, you can be able to see your total investment on the app. Now, the next thing you can see on the home page is where you can see some suggestions. So you can see where they say check your H1 2025 WAEC report. Basically, it's actually your finance report, like how your money has been doing for the first half of 2025. So if you want to see that, just do that right there. And if you scroll to the side, you'll see some news about Piggyvest. So you can be able to see different news about Piggyvest or different things that you can do on Piggyvest right there. And then the next thing is where you have my savings plan. So if you want to do different kinds of savings, you can do it right here. I'll still be talking about them one by one once we get to the savings page. And if you come here, you can see different investment that you can do. I will also talk about them once we get to the investment page. And right here, so you can see the different media content about Piggyvest. Now, let's go to the main thing of this video, which is the savings and the investment. Now, if you want to save your money on the app, you come right here to where it says savings. Now, right here is where you can actually create your savings or maybe save your money and get interest on your money. So you can see right here, there are different kinds of savings that you can have on the Piggyvest app. The first one, you have Safe Lock, where it says lock funds to avoid temptations. Now, for this one, maybe if you have like a very big amount of money, that you don't want to touch, you don't want to use for anything, you can come here and lock it safely. That's why it's called Safe Lock. So if I click on it right there, you can see at the top of the screen, it says you can get 14% to 21% per annum. So that's the interest rate that you can get for 1 year when you safe lock your money. And you can see right here on the screen, it says long-term safe locks are back. You can now lock funds up to 1,000 days. So if you want to lock your funds for up to 1,000 days, you can do it on the app. I also see that it says interest on any safe lock over 365 days will be paid at maturity. So it means that if you are saving for more than 365 days, you can only withdraw your money after that duration or after the duration. But the third one says you can choose to either get your interest upfront or at maturity for funds locked between 10 and 365 days. So that means that if you are locking your funds between 10 days and 365 days, you can decide to get your interest upfront, that is, get your interest immediately, or you wait till your maturity date, either one you prefer. So let's, for example, you want to go ahead and create like a safe lock. Just click on where it says create a safe lock right here. And you can see the different interest rate and the duration. So if you are locking your funds for 10 to 30 days, you'll be getting 14% per annum. If you are locking your funds for 31 to 60 days, you'll be getting 15% per annum. If you are locking your funds for 61 to 90 days, you'll be getting 16% per annum. And if you are locking your funds for 91 to 180 days, you'll be getting 17% per annum. And if you are locking your funds for 181 days to 270 days, you'll be getting 18% per annum. And if you are locking your funds for 271 days to 365 days, you'll be getting 20% per annum. And if you are locking your funds above 1 to 2 years, you'll be getting 20.5% per annum. And if you are locking it for above 2 years, you'll be getting 21% per annum. So you can see right here the different durations and the different interest rates you'll be getting on your money. So whichever one is okay for you, just go ahead and pick it, and it will ask you to enter the amount of money you want to lock, and you just need to transfer your money and you get your interest. It's as simple as that. So you can see it right there again. Just pick whichever one you want. So let me go back and talk about the next one. So let's go back. Now the next one is where you have Piggy Bank. So now for this one, you can automatically save daily, weekly, or monthly. So let me click on it. Now you can see on the screen right here, for this piggy bank, you can get 18% per annum. So for this one, this is the kind of person that you want to be saving maybe every week or every month. Maybe you want to be saving like 5,000 naira weekly, maybe 10,000 naira weekly or monthly. Whichever one you prefer, you can do that with this piggy bank. That is what this one is for. So you want to go ahead and be saving. It's simple. At the bottom right here, you see where it says quick save. Just click on that quick save right there. And then on the screen, it will ask you to enter the amount of money you want to save. So let's say, for example, I want to save 10,000 naira. I'll put in 10,000 naira right there. I'm just going to pick my debit card if I want to save from my debit card. Or if I have money in my Flex Naira, I can do that. Or maybe I want to add a new card, I can also do that right there. So whichever one you have, you go ahead and pick your payment method and the money will be taken from that account and transferred to this piggy bank. It's as simple as that. So if you want to be doing this every week or every month, you can do that for yourself. It's as simple as that. Now let's go back. Now, the third one is where you have target savings. So target savings is for the one whereby you want to save for a particular target. So let's say, for example, you want to save towards a particular target, you can come here and create it for yourself. So that's basically what this target savings is for. And there's also like a public or private group target too. So if you want to join a group to save money, you can do that. So you can see some right here. You have back to school, you have travel, you have 1 million challenge, you have NYC allowance and so on. So you can be able to do all that right here. So you can see that it is simple and straightforward. Now the next one is where you have house money. So this one is if you want to be saving towards your rent. Now I love this feature on the app. It is simple also and straightforward. So for this one, there is an account number that is created for you. So this is the account number right here. I'll blur it because of YouTube terms and conditions. So this account number right here, where I was pointing to, you see it and you also see the bank name. So that's where you can be transferring money to, and any money you transfer there will automatically come to your house money balance. So this house money is where you'll be saving your money for your rent, so that when your rent is due, you don't have to be looking for urgent money or emergency money. You get what I'm saying? So that's why this house money is created. And for this one, you'll be getting 14% per annum on your money. So you can see it right there. So let's go back. Now, the next one you have is your Flex Naira and your Flex Dollar. Now, for these two, you can save your money anytime. And the good thing is that for these two, you can also withdraw your money any day, anytime. That's what these two are for. That's for Flex Naira and Flex Dollar. So Flex Naira is the one where you can save in Naira, and Flex Dollar is the one where you can save in dollar. And you also get interest on your money for the both of them. So take note of that. So these are the different savings you have on the Piggyvest app. Now, if you come here to where you have invest, so for invest right there, so right here, you'll be able to see the different investment that you have on the app. But the problem right now is that the investment on the Piggyvest app at the time of making this video are all sold out. So it means that you don't have any open investment right here. Everything or all the investments are sold out. And you can see you can earn up to 35% returns on your money when you invest on Piggyvest. So maybe you can check this later. Maybe you can check it later if you see any investment that is open. But as at the time of making this video, they are all sold out. So that's how you can basically save your money and invest your money. Now, if you come here to this last option right here, this account, if you click on it, this is where you can see the different details about your account. And if you want to enable fingerprint or Face ID, you make sure this is turned on. If you want to show your dashboard account balances, you turn this on. And if you want to be getting interest on your savings, you make sure you turn this on. Very, very important. And then if you scroll up, if you want to see today's rate, so you click on this where it says today's rate. If I click on it, it will show me the interest rate I can be getting on the different investments on the app. So you'll be able to see everything right there. So let's go back. You can see your account settings right there. If you also want to verify your NIN, you also have that. And if you want to get your account statement, maybe you want to be seeing your account statement of how you've been saving or investing your money on the app, you can see it right there. And in case you want to get a reference letter from Piggyvest, so maybe you want to use it for anything official, you can also do that on the app. So you can see you have different things you can do on the app. So that's basically how you can save and invest your money on the app. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are trying to hit 10,000 subscribers. And don't forget, if you want me to make a video on another investment app or savings app, let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.